Hi everyone, welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like today's session. So I am doing randomly different kinds of sessions. Why? Because I need to make you understand exactly is the spirituality. Okay, but before that I just want to tell you, kindly hit the subscribe button and kindly hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload the video. And second most important thing guys is that kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers guys, okay, because we are really working hard towards it. Okay, and I've already uploaded the readings for the month of September 2020, so kindly like, share and subscribe, and kindly check out all your readings for all the particular zodiacs from Aries to Pisces. Okay, and next, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And second most important thing guys is that if you want to book a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And third most important thing guys is that if you want to help us with the donation and support my live sessions and YouTube channel videos, then you can if you wish to donate, you can donate. Donations are most appreciated, and the details for the donation via PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. Okay, and if you want to have one-on-one personal reading on the same day, like it's an emergency reading, okay, so I'm charging to 200 USD. Okay, so the details are given in the description box below. Why? Because there is a reason, because actually I really get stuck up with my slots. Okay, so if there is an emergency reading, I have to postpone one of the slot and I have to take that particular reading on that day. Okay, so that's why I have done an emergency reading, because I have like lots and lots back-to-back readings. Okay, that's why. Okay, so yes, I'm going to talk about spiritual awakening. Basically this topic is all about spiritual awakening. Okay, what exactly is the spiritual awakening? Spiritual awakening is nothing but it's just an opening of an third eye chakra, that is your crown chakra. Okay, your mind, your brain, your part from here, okay, from the backward of your brain. Okay, so spiritual awakening is nothing but it's the opening up of a third eye chakra on a major level. It's not a small thing. Okay, it's a very big thing, because spiritual awakening doesn't happen with every one of you out there. Okay, it happens with very rare people, and those rare people includes the people who actually never was interested, who never thought about that what spirituality is. Okay, or never used to believe in all those things. Okay, and spiritual awakening happened to the people who trust their intuitions a lot. Okay, so first they didn't like to trust their intuitions, and after some time, after spiritual awakening happens, then they start trusting their intuitions a lot. Okay, and whatever they feel, whatever they go through. Okay, so that exactly things happens after 10 days, 5 days or 4 days, or after a week or after a month. Okay, exactly whatever their intuition was telling you, that comes true. Okay, after certain amount of time. Okay, so that exactly is spiritual awakening. It is nothing like you are going through your higher self. Okay, your higher self, your higher intuition is increasing, and you are more getting connected to the divine universe. Okay, you are getting more connected to the divine spirits. Okay, the door of the spirits are opening for you. Okay, and you are about to enter into the world of spirits. You are about to enter into the world of divine guidance. You are about to enter into the world of godly things, universal things, universal energies, divine things. Okay, divine energies. So that's all spiritual awakening is all about. Okay, so how does it happen? Okay, usually it happens when you are dealing with karmic relationships or karmic connections, and if they start ditching you, or if they start hurting you, if they start doing something bad, a bad karmas to towards you, okay, and you really feel bad immensely from your heart, okay, then a spiritual awakening happens, it starts happening, okay. And mostly separations, divorce, and people who goes through loneliness, depression, okay, people who goes through negative dreams, okay, so those people are goes through the spiritual awakening afterwards, okay. So these people usually goes through spiritual awakening. Not everyone of you goes through spiritual awakening, but very less of people out there goes through spiritual awakening, but it takes on a major level, like you have not trusted, you have never seen that kind of awakening happens, okay. So yeah, if there's a masculine and a feminine I talk about, and if for example, masculines are very shy at the first, okay, and they don't open up much, they keep everything in their heart, okay, they don't share, they feel hesitant, they feel fearful, and they don't have, like, they cannot express themselves openly, okay. So that is when a spiritual awakening takes place. And when it takes place, no, a lot of separation, loneliness, they feel lonely, they feel separated, and then that's the time when they go within themselves and understand like what kind of realizations they are happening, different kinds of realizations happens on different levels, okay. So yes, and if you are a divine feminine, okay, like feminines, okay, for them it's like they are like, okay, they are not that really bad in spirituality, but yeah, their intuition level is very less in the first, but when spiritual awakening happens, they become the badass, like they don't even give a fuck about anyone. They follow what is right, truth is truth, uh, what I can say, truth is truth, and wrong is wrong, okay. So they don't give a fuck about what other people are saying, what other people are telling, okay. When spiritual awakening happens with the masculine, they also follow only the path of truth, okay, irrespective of what their family is saying, irrespective of what their relationships are saying, what their spouses are saying, what their extended families are saying, what their friends are saying, okay. So they don't give a fuck. And once feminines also goes through the spiritual awakening, they become a hardcore badass girls, okay, like they don't give a fuck, and they know how to deal with every single situations, like they won't care, whatever they want to say they will say, but they will not tolerate anything bad, anything manipulative things, any toxic things, any bad things, bad karmas, wrong people around her, okay. uh, for example, I am spiritually awakened already, okay. So that means I don't like negative people or toxic people around me. The people who are doing manipulative things also around me, they think that I don't know, but I know everything, okay. So it's like we don't like the energies of negative or manipulative people or toxic people around us. We just do our own shit, we just follow our own intuition level, we just focus on ourselves, we don't give a fuck about others, okay. Whatever they want to do, they let them do, they will have their own karmas, okay. But they don't do, like divine feminines are the ones whosoever is spiritually awakened, the basic rule is that whatever wrong is wrong, whatever right is right, and they stand for right things, okay. They stand for what is right in this world, they stand for the humanity, they stand for the topics of the humanity, they stand for serving the humanity, okay. They don't give a fuck about what other people are saying, what other people want, they just do the right thing on this earth, because their soul purpose has been awakened, and they know what is their soul purpose on this earth, and what are they supposed to do in this lifetime, okay. So it's divine masculine and divine feminines, okay. When they both are individually awakened, okay, then this process takes place, okay, that serving for the society, humanity, standing up for the right things, and not giving a fuck about who are wrong. They don't tolerate toxic or negative people around them, they don't give a fuck about even the relationships also, because they are emotionally detached, okay. They follow the right path, and even if their own members, if their personal people are against of them, powerful people are against of them, they don't give a fuck about it, okay. They follow right path, and they just follow the right path. They do never do wrong with the other people, and they never allow the anyone who can harm them, like they never allow the other people to do wrong with themselves, okay. So no one can harm them, okay, because they are the baddest. They are very bad when it comes to uh, pushing back, like taking a doing doing I'm not getting that particular word, like they just don't give a fuck about anyone else in this world, okay. So they just follow right is right, wrong is wrong, okay. Second most important thing, guys, is that spiritual awakening take place between 2 months to 8 months, or it mostly usually it happens for 2 years or 3 years also, okay. So time varies from an individual level, okay. So individually how much time you need, individual time how the other people need, it depends on that, okay. So it varies from person to person how much months they are taking for spiritual awakening. If your intuition level is high, then a spiritual awakening takes place on a better level, okay. On and the spiritual level, it takes very fast, okay. And if your intuition level is very less, then spiritual awakening takes place in a slow motion, like it's very slowly takes place, okay. So that's all I have for you, and just wait for the next video I'll upload, okay. I hope you like this video today, and kindly comment down below who are the people who are going through spiritual awakening. One important thing, for example, I am giving you a solid example for people who are actually spiritually awakened in this world, okay. So the first one is, okay, so spiritual awakening, I have two best example. Kangana Ranaut, the queen of Bollywood, okay. She's actually spiritually awakened, okay. You can check her by her characteristics, how she talks, what she talks, okay. So she's spiritually awakened, okay. The second is Arnab Goswami. He's the king of the media right now, and his channel is Republic Bharat, and he's also spiritually awakened, okay. So yes, so these two are the best example of a spiritual awakening, okay. There are many more, plenty of the people are there, so I'll give an example as and when I'll upload the video. But these are the two basic examples who are spiritually awakened, who just follow the truth, who doesn't give a fuck about the world, people around them, but they just want to do the right deeds for the people, and they will stand for the right thing, okay. No matter what others people are saying, no matter what their family members are saying, okay. So they will follow the same path, okay. So yes, this video, I hope you like this video. Kindly give a thumbs up and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys, okay. Bye bye, and kindly book your sessions, one-on-one sessions with me related to career, relationship, situationship, full reading with unlimited questions you can ask from me, and we are also providing remedies and solutions for your problems, okay. So bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.